before, or we can go for a full bow. So you're either bringing the hands behind the back and doing the same pose that we just did, or you can bend your legs, bring the feet towards your glutes. Your hands are going to grab the ankles. You're going to flex your feet. As you next inhale, pressing the ankles into your hands, you're going to lift up your chest. We're squeezing the glutes and the shoulder blades and then seeing how much of the body we can lift up off the ground. Really reaching here into the feet. We're here for 5, keep breathing. For 4, for 3, for 2, for 1. Slowly release all the way down to the mat. You can release your hands, your feet, your forehead. Take a full round of breath, breathing into the back body. So next inhale, lift your gaze. Slowly bring the hands underneath the shoulders. We're pressing